In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Carter promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Carter promo code. And once that is done, you're gonna scroll down until you see the website CouponFollow. So once you see this website, you're gonna click on it. So once you're on the website, you're gonna see many promo codes. For example, the first one is save 10% off with this code. So you can click on it. And card member 10 is the code for getting a 10% off. So to redeem this, all you have to do is copy the code, click on continue to Carters, which is gonna redirect you to their website. Once you're on their website, you can pick your products and use this code at checkout. Alright, now I'm gonna show you a few more codes. So let's say save 20% off with this promo code. So you can click on that. So card 20 is a promo code which is gonna save you a 20% off. Let's see a few more. So up to 40% off. So for this, you don't need a promo code. You can directly go on the website because this is an ongoing sale. So you can directly claim it by going to the website. Alright, so 50% off your order. So this is another ongoing sale. So you can directly go to the website and claim it. Now I'm going to head over to some other website and show you a few more codes. Well, then you can head over to CNN Coupons. So I'm going to go over to this website now. I'm going to wait for the website to load. So once that is done, you're going to see many codes here. For example, sign up. So you get a 15% off with this code. So first of all, you have to sign up to their website. And once you sign up, it's automatically going to send you a 15% off either by your email or etc. So enjoy up to 40% off clearance sale. So for this, it's again, you don't need a code. You have to directly go to the store because right now there's 40% off on all clearance styles. So yeah. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.